Are you a barber that's working a 9 to 5? Don't scroll this. This is for you. So we cut here all day, ne? We cut here all day. Our income is kept. And even on top of that, it's paid in local currency, which is fine. We're in South Africa. So there's a beginner-friendly digital program where barbers or anyone for that matter learn the skill and use a proven blueprint that helped a lot of people earn or reach six figures. The same program, the same blueprint that I'm on, already made a couple of people six figures, guys. It takes about 2 hours a day, and you don't need tech skills. You don't need tech skills, guys. 2 hours of your day. So all you have to do is just comment blueprint, and then I'll show you how it works.